Welcome to the Trump Breaking News Network, your daily source for up-to-the-minute Trump news. Join us today and every day. Here's today's news.
This is TBNN.
Trump wins one round in legal battle over immigration order. By Jack Davis. The same federal judge who first blocked the implementation of President Donald Trump's initial executive order on refugees and immigration has rejected an attempt to block his revised order from taking effect. U.S. District Court Judge James Robart, based in Seattle, was asked to place an emergency restraining order on Trump's new order. The state challenging the order sought to have Robart's initial injunction issued last month also apply to Trump's new order. However, Robart refused to agree to their request. The action does not end the legal challenges facing Trump's new order. The states of Washington, New York and Hawaii have all signaled their intention to take the federal government to court over the order. Further, a Wisconsin judge ruled Friday against the new order, but that ruling applied only in one case of a Syrian family in which a Syrian refugee already in the U.S. was seeking to reunite his family here. Trump has said his revised order is designed to pass the court tests he knew were coming. The new order is going to be very much tailored to what I consider to be a very bad decision, he said last week prior to its release on Monday. Trump administration officials have defended the order. Unvetted travel isn't a privilege, especially when national security is at stake, said Homeland Security Secretary John Kelly. Officials noted the revised order addressed concerns caused by the initial order. If you have travel documents, if you actually have a visa, if you are a legal permanent resident, you are not covered under this particular executive action, said White House Counselor Kellyanne Conway. New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman believes the latest version of the travel ban is still discriminatory. President Trump's latest executive order is a Muslim ban by another name, imposing policies and protocols that once again violate the Equal Protection Clause and Establishment Clause of the United States Constitution, Schneiderman said. What do you think? Scroll down to comment below.
That's the news. Join us here every day. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell. See you next time.
This is TBNN.